Welcome to our guide for achieving radiant, glowing skin from within. Today, we'll explore some simple yet effective health tips to help you achieve that coveted healthy glow. Hydration is key. Start your day by drinking a glass of water. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins from your body, keeping your skin clear and radiant. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Foods high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals nourish your skin from the inside out, promoting a healthy glow. Get your beauty sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates, leading to a brighter complexion. Practice stress management techniques. Chronic stress can take a toll on your skin, leading to breakouts and dullness. Incorporate activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to promote relaxation. Protect your skin from the sun. Exposure to harmful UV rays can accelerate skin aging and cause damage. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Cleanse and moisturize regularly. Keep your skincare routine simple yet effective by cleansing your face twice daily to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. By incorporating these health tips into your daily routine, you can achieve a naturally radiant and glowing complexion. Remember, consistency is key, so make these practices a habit for long-lasting results. Here's to your health and glowing skin. Until next time, take care.